What's up, Trader's Edge? It's Mark Sebastian, your only option, and it's our week in review. Folks, if you didn't join our class that we did on Friday, you missed something special. We were originally going to do 90 minutes. I personally went for 160, and then Leisha did another 40 minutes or so. We ended up doing a 3 hour and 15-minute class. It was really good, though. If you're interested in zero DTE options, how they trade, how to take advantage of them, how to make money, why they trade the way they do, this is the best money you can spend. We're also launching a brand new service, Zero DTE January. Leisha and I are going to be putting out up to 2 zero DTE trades every single day, looking for huge returns for the month. We have special pricing for it. You've got to join. Click the links in this discussion and join me starting January 2nd. Can't wait to have you with me. All right, let's get down to business. Today, we're going to talk about the levels in the SPX and Qs and the Russell. We're going to talk about what's going on with VIX. And then I'll tell you about 2 trades, one that I have on and one that I'm watching very closely. So let's start with SPX. SPX managed to close the day green, but it was below the low from Wednesday before we sold off. And that is a doji, according to Leisha. That can signal a change in trend. Look out if we're down on Tuesday. That could mean something. QQQ, kind of a similar story. It was a little softer than the S&P 500, still in just really lofty territory. Now, where was there real strength? And I've been talking about this for 2 weeks. IWM, new recent high. It actually is breaking out. That looks really healthy. MDY, another one that broke out and is looking really healthy. It's a recent high close. I think between SPX, Qs, IWM, and MDY, I like IWM and MDY as a pair. There's some real strength there. Implied volatility option is not particularly expensive either. VIX. VIX is just absolutely, kind of into the long weekend. They sucked out some of the volatility. The market kind of pulling back definitely made sense. VIX futures have pulled back as well. We've got a spread of about $2.10 between the VIX future and the VIX cash. That's going to be about normal, maybe a little bit rich. But when we come in on Tuesday, because of the long weekend, VIX should be a little bit higher. That relationship will normalize. So the VIX curve is saying we're probably not going to get any super craziness like we had on Wednesday. But VIX is still holding above 13. It's going to be 13.5, 13.75 when we come in on Tuesday. So VIX about normal. And, that's the thing to watch. Looking at our VIX ETPs, there is where I do see some opportunity on the charts. UVIX has had a really nice rally, starting to pull back below the 21. I'm looking to play UVIX back to a new low, a new all-time low. If the market is up next week, we could see vol just get absolutely torched in UVIX and the VIX futures. So that's where I see some real opportunity. Now I want to talk to you about 2 trades that I have on. One, and they're both around NitroTrader. So the NitroTrader that I have on that I really like, all right, I'm long Walmart, and against it, I got short Amazon. And on the 1 year, you can see how this rift has just gotten really crazy. On the 2 year, you can see Walmart has been outperforming Amazon. But on the 1 year, the relationship has gotten a little stretched. The trade has worked out well so far. We're long Amazon 155 puts, long Walmart 155 calls. Now, here's one I'm watching on my watch list. Lululemon was down pretty big on Friday, or after what had been a rough, just a crazy run, mostly on the back of the Nike news. But this one appears to be overbought, and I do have a stock that I want to go long against it. I'm not going to tell you what that stock is. You have to be a member of NitroTrader, but Lululemon overbought. Keep an eye on Lululemon to potentially drop. All right, folks. I hope you have a great week and a great weekend. I'll be back on Saturday with my stocks to watch. And next week, I'll be coming out with a short video every day, somewhat early in the day, to kind of get you prepared for that day's trading. It's generally a pretty slow week. And again, if you didn't get a chance to buy the class, or and you want to check it out, give us an email, support@optionpit.com, call us 888-872-3301, and join me for January 0 GTE. It's going to be the best. I'm Mark Sebastian, your only option, and I'll see you soon.